to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this traditional Indian sauce with a little twist from Ife's kitchen. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Ife and thank you for stopping by. If you're tired of your everyday stew, that's the regular African stew, this is one recipe that I feel you should try out. And as it's my custom, I'm going to list out all the ingredients that I used for this recipe in the description box below. You can check it out and let me know what you think. And while you're watching, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And also drop down your comments in the comment section. I hope you do enjoy this video. Keep watching.